गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम स्टैटिस्टिकल असिस्टेंट 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। पहले हम जीके के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, उसके बाद हम सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 121, अल-बिरूनी लिव्ड ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ डी मोहम्मद गजनी। जो मैं आंसर आपको बताऊंगी वो ऑफिशियल आंसर की के आंसर्स हैं। द सेवन रथा टेम्पल ऑफ महाबलीपुरम वॉज बिल्ट बाय ए नरसिम्हा वर्मन। इन मिडिवल इंडिया what did the term Jital refer to? B. Coin. Who was the first real king of Delhi Sultanate? B. Iltutmish. The Brahmins of the Deccan rose to prominence in which of the following centuries? B. 14th. Sheikh Nijamuddin Aulia was the disciple of A. Baba Farid. Which of the following was constructed by Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri? A. Panch Mahal. The administration of the English East India Company in India came to an end in B. 1858. Question 129. The first Governor General of Bengal was D. None of these. बंगाल के जो फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल थे वॉरेन हेस्टिंग. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज अ प्रोपोनेंट ऑफ फेमिनिज्म एज अ मूवमेंट? ए. एनी बेसेंट. इन विच ईयर डिड लॉर्ड हार्डिंग कैंसल द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल? डी. 1911. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly of Independent India? C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which constitutional amendment inserted the two words socialist and secular in the preamble? A. 42nd. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India has provision for the President of India to proclaim national emergency? A. 352. The maximum age prescribed for the post of the President of India? D. None of these. Maximum age limit for the post of President of India is 35 years. Which one of the following is presided over by one who is not its member? D. Rajya Sabha. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? B. The Speaker. The first general election in India on the basis of adult franchise was held during the year B. 1951 to 1952. The base year for computation of national income in India is B. 1993-1994. The ruling plan for backward countries was suggested by A. Gunnar Myrdal. Which of the following continent has no volcanoes? B. Australia. Mechanically formed sedimentary rocks are C. Gravel. Mariana is a B. Oceanic trench. Asia and North America are separated by A. Bering Strait. Most of the ozone in the atmosphere is concentrated in the C. Stratosphere. Which of the following creeks is not associated with the state of Gujarat? B. Godai Creek. The northern part of the western coastal plain of India is also known as C. Konkan. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta forest is known as B. Sundarban. The only sanctuary where Kashmir stag is found is B. decigum. The conductivity of a superconductor is A. Infinite. Diffusion of light in the atmosphere takes place due to B. Dust particles. The waves used in sonography are B. Ultrasonic waves. Amino acids are building blocks of A. Proteins. Vitamin D is C. Calciferol. Which of the following is different from the rest? C. US. From 3 to 41, how many such numbers which are divisible by 3 and the sum of their digits is 9 are C. 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 157 से 159 तक करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चंस हैं, हम इनको नहीं करेंगे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ बिकम द इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट यूनियन टेरिटरी टू रन कंप्लीटली ऑन सोलर पावर? बी. दीव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 161 से हिमाचल जीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं. पंडोर डैम इज सिचुएटेड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ HP? ए. मंडिया. Bhadal Glacier is located in which district of HP? A. Kangra. Asni River is a tributary of river D. None of these. Asni River Chenab River की tributary है. The first Deputy Chief Commissioner of HP was C. E.P. Moon. English के questions. She dash us farewell. B. Bade. She bade us farewell. Antonym of the word unruly is B. Orderly. Meaning of the idiom to ache out is to supplement. B. Next हिंदी के क्वेश्चंस हैं. यौगिक शब्द है C. सदाचार. रथ का विपरीतार्थक है C. वीरत. प्रतिदिन में समास है C. अवयवी भाव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड मीन्स कॉमर्स के क्वेश्चंस, मैथ्स के, इकोनॉमिक्स के क्वेश्चंस. If opening stock is rupees 10,000, net purchases rupees 70,000, wages rupees 2,500, carriage in weight rupees 500 and closing stock rupees 15,000, what is the manufacturing cost? C. Rupees 68,000. Who has been 14 principle of management? Who has given 14 principle of management? B. Henry Fayol. Physical distribution provides C. Place and time utility. What is relevant to place variable of marketing mix? D. None. Non-store marketing include D. All of these. Home selling, VPP, vending machine. Question number 6. A perfectly competitive firm attains equilibrium at B. Marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. The purpose of job evaluation is C. Wage determination. Demand has the following elements. D. All of these. Quantity, price, time. The commercial banks do not perform one function out of the following. C. Issuing currency notes. The value of free accommodation in Delhi provided by employer in private sector. B. 15% of salary. No smoking in office is an example of B. Rule. In a wage system where employee is paid according to output is called B. Piece rate system. Which of the following documents is called a charter of the company? A. Memorandum of Association. Question number 14. An extraordinary general meeting may be called by D. All of these: shareholders, directors, company law tribunal. Reverse capital is the amount which is company can call at the time of C. Winding up. Balance in petty cash book represent C. An asset. Which of the following is not an audit technique? C. Flowchart. When an auditor does not find any error or fraud in the accounts, he gives a unqualified report. Diversification reduces a risk. Law of demand is applicable when a other things remain equal. The most appropriate average in the construction of index number is B. Geometric mean. World Bank is also known as A. IBRD. Lead bank scheme was introduced in India in the year C. 1969. Management grid is the same as C. 3D concept. Rank correlation was developed by B. Spearman. The theory of collective bargaining was given by A. Dunlop. Increase in cash reserve ratio leads to B. Decrease in bank credit. The permanent termination of an employee from service is called B. Retrenchment. A letter of credit is addressed to A. the beneficiary. Role conflict is a type of A. intrapersonal conflict. Sensitivity training was developed by C. Kurt Lewin. Which of the following is true for normal distribution? A. Q3 minus Q2 is equal to Q2 minus QA. Internal rate of return is that at which C. NPV is 0. The Scheme 8 of Banking Act includes D. All of these: government securities, debentures, share. IDBI was set up in A. July 1964. The rate of dividend on preference share is decided at the time of A. issue, which is included under type of leverage. C. Financial leverage. Organization is foundation of management. Who said it? D. Lansbury Fish. Grequana name linked with B. Span of control. The promotional mix involves to D. All of these: advertising, personal selling, sale promotion. Question 41. From the following, identify the web-based financial software. C. Wealth management software. Which is not an operative function of HRM? C. Organizing. Duty levied on the value of goods imported is referred to as A. Ad valorem duty. The degree of super leverage would be calculated by C. Multiplying DOL and DFL. An MBO program usually involves the following steps: B, A, C, E, D. Accounting Standard 14 is related with A. amalgamation. Discount allowed on issue of share is an example of a capital expenditure. 3. Need theory is given by D. David McClelland. The people to adopt a new product first was called D. Innovators. Marginal costing technique is used for D. All of the above. Make or buy decisions, profit planning, shutdown decision. Who coined the term Hindu rate of growth for Indian economy? B. Raj Krishna. Which one of the following is a development expenditure? D. Irrigation expenditure. The main source of national income in India is C. Service sector. In the first 5-year plan, the major objective was the eradication of poverty. B. Fifth, population density is defined as the number of person B per square kilometer. The concept of sustainable development relates to D. Intergenerational equity. The nodal agency for implementing the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund program is B. NABARD. Relative poverty refers to D. Economic inequality. Which of the following is not included in Human Development Index HDI? B. Social inequality. The apex organization for marketing cooperatives at the national level is B. NAFID. Which of the following is not a public sector unit agency? D. Axis Bank. Industrial licensing was finally abolished in the C. Industrial Policy 1991. Devaluation of currency leads to D. All of these. Expansion of export trade, contraction of import trade, expansion of import substitution. The present Indian monetary system is based on a minimum reserve system. The stock market index of London stock market is referred as B. FTSE. Which of the following is not a financial term? D. El Nino effect. Which of the following organization is known as the market regulator in India? A. SEBI. Which of the following cannot be called a debt instrument as referred in financial transaction? B. Stocks. In which year the Indian rupee was devalued 2 times within a month? B. 1991. Treasury bills are sold in India by A. RBI. Which of the following is considered an informal method of getting credit? D. Going to moneylender. Which of the following is an easy way of providing credit to the farmer community? B. Kisan Credit Card. The functions of the lead bank are performed by D. A bank designed for this bank. Which of the following sector contributes most to saving in India? D. Household sector. When was the first regional rural bank formed? B. 1975. If the tax rate increases with the higher level of income, it shall be called B. Progressive tax. Mod weight is related to B. Excise duty. The recommendation of the Calcutta Task Force is related to D. Taxes. The exchange of commodity between two countries is referred as C. Bilateral trade. The Asia's first export processing zone was set up in A. Kandla. The head office of the Asian Development Bank is in D. Manila. A want becomes a demand only when it is backed by the A. ability to purchase. Fiscal policy in India is formulated by C. Finance Minister. Which of the following is used to compare two or more frequency distribution? C. Cumulative frequency curves. The difference between the lower limit and the upper limit of a class is known as a class interval. Which of the following are method of forming the class interval? D. None of these. Question 87. A sampling unit must have which of the following characteristics? D. All of these. Must cover the entire population, non-overlapping, distinct and unambiguous. The parameter refers to the characteristics of a population. Class width can be calculated as a range number of classes. The area under frequency curve should be equal to D 100. Which of the following is particularly used to compute the mean of means? C. Weighted arithmetic mean. Standard deviation can be expressed as C whole under root sigma bracket start x minus x bar bracket close whole square upon n. Given mode is equal to 32.1 and mean is equal to 35.4, what will be the value of median? C. 34.3. Each normal distribution is defined by its which of the following parameters? C. Mean and standard deviation. If x and y are independent variables, then two lines of regression are B x constant, y also constant. If the regression coefficient of y on x is 4 upon 3, then regression coefficient of x on y is b less than 1. A formula of Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation is C r under root sigma xy upon sigma x square sigma y square. In the formula r is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n bracket start n2 minus 1 bracket close. D stands for B difference of two ranks. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis is respectively denoted by H0 and H1. Which of the following is included under the characteristics of useful hypothesis? D. All of these. Clarity, empiricism, specificity. Which of the following test is used to test the significant difference of two sets of related variables? B. T-test. The causal relationship is indicated by D. None of these. Test is a parametric test. One of the possible outcome of an experiment is known as B event. Which of the following is a type of correlation? D. All of these. Negative correlation, multiple correlation, simple correlation. Question 106. Sigma xy upon n is a D. Covariance. ABC is related to D. Association of attributes. Yule coefficient of association varies between C minus 1 to plus 1. Test of homogeneity is a utility of a chi-square. Which is the chance of drawing a queen from a pack of 52 cards? C. 1 upon 13. A bag contains 10 whites and 6 red balls. What is the probability of drawing a white ball? C. 5 upon 8. 8p3 can be expressed as D. 8 upon bracket 8 minus 3 bracket close. In how many ways we can arrange 4 books in a bookshelf? D. 24. 0.01 in percentage will be equal to D. 1%. A line is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. What is the gradient of the line? B. minus 5 upon 2. If x is equal to 2x square minus 5 and g x is equal to 2x minus 1, the value of g is bracket f bracket start minus 3 bracket close big bracket close. A 25. What is the derivative of 1 upon 3x square? A minus 2 upon 3x cube. X minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 9x plus k. The value of k is C10. Find 4 cos bracket start 2x plus 3 bracket close dx. C 2 sin bracket start 2x plus 3 bracket close plus c. The exact value of 4 sin pi upon 3 cos bracket start minus pi upon 3 bracket close is d under root 3. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.